3 days after the death of an 8-month-old pregnant woman in Noida, the Gautam Budh Nagar administration has initiated action against the errant hospitals and its staff who were present on duty and denied admission to the pregnant woman. 8 hospitals have been served show-cause notices, and the chief medical superintendent of a district hospital has been ordered to be transferred. The pregnant woman died after she was denied entry by as many as 8 hospitals on Saturday. Alok Singh joining me live with more on this. Alok, an extremely tragic case of the death of a pregnant woman because she did not get medical attention. Can you take us through the sequence of events, please?
Yes, definitely. This is an important development happened that is related to the patients who are denied by the hospital for the treatment. And this is not the first case. Earlier happened the similar kind of incident, and this is the second case where 8-month pregnant woman died because she did not get the treatment on time. So this is why the administration has decided to tighten the nose of these hospitals. All are private as well as the government hospital. In fact, they had set up the committee that was supervised by the district administration, who is the DM of that district particularly. And now this committee has recommended 5 things. That one is that FIR to be registered against the errant officials who denied the admission at that point in time. Also, the show cause notice has been sent to all 8 hospitals. Apart from that, the ESIC hospital, the CMS has been transferred, and in fact the district magistrate, the district hospitals, the CMS has been transferred, and ESI's hospitals administrative staffs, the action has been taken against them. So these are the important development that happened, important recommendation by the committee. Important that recommendation is that is very important, that all the hospitals will from now onwards, they are not going to deny any of the patient if they are coming to there and want to get the admission, and if they want to refer that patient to the other hospital, they have to develop the proper communication to that particular hospital so that the proper treatment could be given to that patient at that point in time. So this is very important decision that is taken by the administration. We hope that after this whole actions and recommendations, the hospitals authorities will take the serious note of it, and no patient will be denied for the treatment. Back to you.
Well, Alok, that just goes to show that even though tall claims are made by various authorities, when it comes to the poor, the vulnerable, and those in difficult circumstances, when they approach these hospitals at that level, they do not get attention. So these 8 hospitals who have been served show-cause notices, any response coming from them why they could not attend to a heavily pregnant woman and left her to her plight?
Well, this is the reason. That is why the administration has given the show cause notice, because they have not able to give the proper reason why they did not attend that patient at that point in time, why they did not give the admission. In fact, the official authorities, who were present at that point in time, because that woman died at the midnight hours of June 3rd and June 4th, and she was at that point in time just roaming with her husband here and there. She was shuffling from one hospital to other. These basically those people who are the authorities from the hospitals, they were denying the treatment. Maybe that just because of the pandemic, because many hospitals also asked about the certificates as well, whether they are COVID or not. So these kinds of things that had come to light in the investigation, in the probe of the committee that was set up by the administration. So that is why the action has been initiated. But definitely this will help in tightening the nose of these kinds of hospitals who are denying the patients. Back to you.
All right, more breaking news coming in. Thanks, Alok, for joining us.